Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, in the given figure, ABC is a right angle triangle with AB equals to 9 cm and AC equals to 11 cm. A circle with a center O has been inscribed inside the triangle. Calculate the value of R, that is the radius of the inscribed circle. Now, in triangle ABC, as it is right angle triangle, BC square equals to AC square plus AB square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. So, BC will be, AC is given as 11 cm and AB is 9 cm. So, it is 14.213. Now, in the figure, join OA, OB and OC. Now, area of triangle OAC plus triangle OAB plus triangle BOC equals to area of triangle ABC. So, as area of the triangle is given by 1/2, as we have given AC is 11 centimeters, so 1/2 11 into R plus 1/2 AB is given by 9 into R plus 1/2 14.213 into R equals to 1/2 11 into 9. So 11 by 2 plus 9 by 2 plus 14.213 by 2 into R equals to 99.2. So after solving this, we will get R equals to 2.89. Hence, radius of the inscribed circle is 2.89 centimeter.